Google Ads not serving, high spending account stuck, support unresponsive help. Hey Ali, I'm in a truly frustrating situation, desperately need some community insight or advice. Our account is a high spending Google Ads account and our ads completely stopped serving yesterday. We just realized it this morning and it's absolutely killing our business. Definitely, it may be killing. Sorry to hear. We have done a thorough audit on our end and everything looks fine. No billing issues. We are a high spending client with a good payment history. No policy violation. All our ads are approved and eligible. Ads are live and eligible in the interface, but they are uh, not running. Zero impressions. We have tried a few things, but no luck. Swapped backup payment method to rule out a payment issue didn't help. Attempted a manual payment. This is where it gets weird. It throws an error saying admin has the right to make the payment, but then when the actual admin tries to do, they get another message preventing the payment. The most frustrating part, Google support has been absolutely useless. We tried reaching out and we simply told an internal team would look into the matter in 1 to 2 business days. Kidding? Are you kidding me? For an account spending as much as ours, losing a day or two of ad serving in a catastrophic hit to our revenue. It feels like they have no knowledge or experience, just kind responses. We are losing significant business every hour. Our ads are down. This isn't an inconvenience. It's a critical business outage for high spending account. You to expect a point of contact. Has anyone experienced anything like this? Is there a secret handshake to get actual help from Google Ad support? Okay, sorry to hear this response. Okay, this may seem a frustrating experience just like you. There are few things, if we were doing apart from this. First of all, I strongly recommend you to work with a Google partner company because the Google partner has a dedicated manager to help their clients out. So if you do not have agency like us, I'm not advertising myself, but I'm just telling you that in the situations like this, a Google partner like us can help you sorting out all of your issues. So for the quick fixes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move to my account. Now this is a simple account. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to move to the change history and revert back any changes which were being done, you know, uh, ever since my ads were stopped running. So I may go look on the change history to revert back any change. Second, I'm going to move to the ad review and diagnosis tool, write my query, write my location, see if my ads are being shown or not, or if I'm going to move to my campaign. And what I'm gonna do is, for instance, I'm gonna check if my ads are showing like this or not. So this account is not running ads, so don't worry. So I'm going to check from status and see if the ads are running or not. This may shown over here. You have already gone through the billing procedure, so the billing is not an issue. So what I'm gonna do is, this works like a charm, but this is a small hack. People work with the Google knows is very better. Is we have to change our bidding strategy for the campaign. For instance, if this campaign is not working, I'm gonna check for the uh, bidding change my bidding strategy from manual CPC or any other to get it work. Sorry, battery is also down low as well. So I'm going to change my bidding strategy as well. Okay, I'm also going to cross check my networks. Also going to cross check my target country, location, language, any issue, start or end date of the campaign, ad schedule as well, and brand bid device adjustment as well. So these may small things, but look on my advanced bid adjustments. If I have done any bid adjustment for the devices, look for ad schedule. If my ad schedule is running right now or no, location issue, audience issue. So these may be the small things error where could be the reason why my ad is not shown apart from the billing which you have already addressed. So there may be a sudden drop in my quality score, which is a very rare thing, but this could be a possibility. If none of this work, you can suddenly increase your keyword CPC to see if you start getting your ads to be shown. However, multiple changes in a short time frame can also go make the account into the review. and I think that the frustration has turned your account into the review mode. And because the admin when tried to do the payment was failed, so there may be something ongoing with your account as well. Now with support you may have a hard time. I recommend you to the calling to their Google support, or get your self connected with a Google partner like us, and then we can look around and ask our manager to get it sorted within few hours. This is the best can be done in these scenarios. So I hope I discuss some possibilities and how we can help. But anyone who is looking to get their Google Ads account audited, set up, or need a Google Ads management service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward working with you. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.